Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off automatic door lock in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So in order to be able to do that, it's pretty easy. You're not gonna find the option here in your dashboard menu or in your screen. All you need to do, guys, is go here to your driver door buttons. I'm going to give you guys a closer look. So as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these buttons right here. This one is for the mirror. Here you're gonna find the this button that is responsible for whether the passengers can open or close the window or not. And here you're going to find the two buttons for locking or unlocking your doors. As you can see, guys, there is no third button for turning on or off automatic lock, because in order to turn it off, all you need to do, guys, is give it a hold click to this button, the button for unlocking. Just give it a hold click, keep clicking on it until you find a clicking sound on the doors, and this means that the option is turned off. And if you want to turn on the automatic door lock again, go to the door lock button and give it a hold click until you hear the sound, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.